Hello? Yes, ma'am. My name is Michael Elder. I'm calling from Martinsville, Virginia. Is there some way I can speak to the officer on duty? Mr. Smith, how you doing?
Okay.
This is Mike Elder.
Yes, sir.
Listen, I've got documentation, forged documentation that has the FBI number on it, case numbers, ID numbers for people when you do a crime report, like the probation officer, somebody. I got Social Security documents that's been tampered with. I got mail that's been tampered with. I got forged indictments that comes out of the Henry County. Well, if you look at the court, website and you know some of the people on there, and they're still walking around here, and yet there's been old news of them, and it's coming to you. But have their information, have your information, that'd be easy to test forged. When it's not signed by a judge that exists, that's forged.
Well, not necessarily.
Okay.
Unless you have a.
Well, would you like to look at the paperwork?
What kind of paperwork do you have?
I'm getting state summons. I'm getting indictments. I'm getting police background checks that has state and FBI on it. I'm getting Social Security paperwork. I'm getting all kinds of documents. Social Security numbers coming on my paperwork that ain't mine. Indictments that's not signed by magistrates or judges. They're confiscating drugs off somebody else and saying that you got it. You go up there, you don't even have a charge on that.
Well, have you discussed this with the elders we talked before?
Okay.
The attorney you've got representing you?
I don't have an attorney. I can't get one. They scared. The people in here scared. We talked about on TV this morning, Mr. Smith. We had the county administrator, not administrator, but W. Buchanan, representative of the county board of supervisors. She said that she was even scared. You had a lady call in and said the police, she called and said the police told her they're getting tired of calling. They knocked on the door so the drug dealers know who was calling on the drug dealers. That's on TV this morning. You got two folks dead down here. They think that one of them was going to testify in the case. One of them was Lawrence and the other was Massey. They said she had to be to testify in the court case, and they said that she was killed because she was an informant. Well, I'm just saying, it's too many. Excuse me. Right, and if y'all don't ever take the accusation of the paperwork, it'll never come before court.
Take one piece of paper and tell me what you got.
I've got.
You would have an FBI number and all of them, because I'm surprised you get that kind of information.
I've got one from my probation officer, Michelle Whitlow. I had flunked, evidently, she said a drug test. I don't think I flunked it, but it talks about the state number and the FBI number for background checks.
Right, if you got a record, you're going to have a Virginia SID number and you're going to have an FBI number.
Well, my thing is, it's not my FBI number, and the court, I got it on YouTube, just like this going to be on YouTube, with people saying that have stuff on there ain't even mine. The clerks saying that. They say, we can't find him, Mr. Elder. I said, don't exist. Mike with the court on YouTube, Judge Waters on YouTube, this going to be on YouTube. Have a good day, Mr. Smith. Take care.